here because they're hiding very well, and they can't find me here. No one will ever see me. If I just hang out behind this curtain, I should be able to hide from everyone. They really won't find me now. Oh, oh, if I just move over to the left, yeah, a little bit. Yeah, that's perfect. They'll never find me. They'll never find me. La la. Oh, what was that? Something got on me. Oh my God! Ow! Was that? What? Oh, okay. That's better. That's better.